almost an year wait. And finally, I want to say this, that we are finally here with the launch of DSA 3.0 as well. This time, I intentionally have not launched a live course, in the very bigger duration of an year or almost 1.5 years, I would say. The reason being, first of all, I hope everybody knows, few months back, we have launched the Udemy self-paced course. So we were preparing for that. And secondly, I was also, working on curating the best content again with respect to 2026. I really want to see, and I have connected with lot many friends, whatever be the network I have, like what kind of interviews, now currently interviewers are asking in almost all the tier 1, tier 2 companies, especially for the people who wants to go for data specific roles. What kind of preparation is actually required? So it actually took a lot of time to do a research and to prepare the course accordingly. Now, anyone who really wants to look for a shortcut in DSA, this course is not for you. You can skip this video. Anyone who just want to cram somehow the patterns of DSA, again, this video is not for you. Or this course is not for you. You can again skip this. This course is majorly designed to give a mindset in terms of how we can solve any problem. So over here, we will try to learn the topics, we will try to understand the concepts, and the DSA will be done in a Python programming language. In fact, the previous two courses also, which I have launched on my website of Tech for All with Priya, it was in Python only. But this time, there is a bit change. I'll let you know about that as well. So over here, first of all, anyone who is actually not at all having any idea about DSA also can enroll into this specific course. We will start from very scratch. We will talk about all the data structures that we have. We will talk about all the algorithms that we have, its intuition, how we have to develop the mindset to solve its core idea. We will solve lead code specific questions as well. Now, as I have mentioned, the main idea over here is to give you a gist that if, let's say, interviewer will ask you any question, how you have to proceed, how you have to communicate, how you have to, talk about the outcome. I remember my Google interview. In that, they don't even give me the platform where they're really worried about test cases, although multiple companies are also worried about test cases passing. But over there, the good thing which I really like about that interview is they were more concerned about how I'm approaching towards brute force approach, how I'm approaching towards the optimized approach, how I'm able to find out the time and the space complexity. So all those things we will try to cover up in this specific course from scratch. So I'm really happy to announce this specific thing and was waiting eagerly for all the learners who really wants to join this specific live course, right? Now, this course will be led by me as well as one of my friend Gladden. For those people who already know about his teaching skills, so I'm pretty much confident you really like his approach. He teaches in a very deeper manner, clarifies the concepts in an amazing manner. And I think how I met him is we were working at some point of time with the same project of DSA, almost I would say 3-4 years back. And today I got a chance to collaborate with him. So I thought that let's try to curate one amazing course together. And that is where almost 50% of the course will be taught by him and 50% of the course will be taught by me. So you will get the experience of both of the professionals who have like teaching expertise of past 5 years. So this is one of the best thing in this specific course. So without wasting any time, now let me, share the stage with him, and then he will talk about what are the things we will be covering up in this specific course in detail. And also he will introduce to everyone who are especially new and who don't know about him. So he'll talk about himself as well. But before that, one announcement. Because we are approaching towards the end of this year and we are about to start 2026 as well. So 50% off is going on for all the courses available on my website, whether it's a machine learning, it's a statistics course, it's a Excel course. right? So you can just go explore the courses, and if you feel maybe because of money concern you won't be able to enroll into it, today is the right chance. Once the coupon code will be over, then learners reach out to me that can you please open that again, which won't be possible at that point of time, right? Also, this is a very amazing chance. So this sale will be live by the end of this year. So you will be having a very amazing chance to enroll into the recent course also with 50% off only. So currently the course price is 4,999, but as soon as you will see the coupon code build 50, which will be applicable for all the courses. So if you are enrolling into this recent course also, you will get 50% off, and the price will definitely get shortened down a lot. So definitely looking for a lot many learners because of this reason as well. Very excited, and I will see you all in the course. Now giving the stage to Gladden.
Hi guys, my name is Gladden and I will be your co-instructor for this course. Really happy to be doing this together with Priya. Right, so let me just introduce a little bit about myself for those who don't know about me. So I have been a DSA instructor and mentor for the past few years, and my expertise primarily lies in training students on data structures and algorithms and problem solving, and then helping them to get into product-based companies or service-based companies, or even for certain students switching domains or switching careers, right? Now, after training thousands of students, what I have realized specifically for DSA or problem solving, the gap usually lies either because the students are not consistent enough or because they don't have proper structured guided courses, right? Otherwise, there is a lot of content on DSA already available. But why we are bringing this course to you, we have curated the curriculum efficiently, and you will get a very guided approach of the basic topics, intermediate topics and the advanced topics. All the details about the curriculum are already available on the landing page of the course. Okay, but let me just highlight a few things about this course. Yes, so all the sessions that are going to happen in this course are going to be live. Okay, the batch timings are going to be from 9 a.m. to 11 a.m. as mentioned on the landing page as well, and we are going to primarily cover this course in Python. Now coming to the course, we are going to start from the basics, right? So right from how do you calculate the time and space complexity for problems, how do you optimize the space complexity, data structures like arrays, linked list, stack, queue, hash maps, sets, all of this is what we are going to cover. Then we are going to move to intermediate DSA, which is going to be your binary search algorithm, recursive problems, backtracking, binary tree, binary search tree, quick sort, merge sort, and algorithms like this. And then eventually we are also going to cover the advanced DSA topics that are your greedy techniques, graph algorithms, Dijkstra's shortest path algorithm, Kruskal's algorithm. We are going to cover heaps. We are going to cover sliding window and DQ, right? So you can see the syllabus, what we are going to cover in week 1, week 2, and you can also explore this in the landing page. All of this info is already available in the landing page, correct? So who is this course particularly for? I would say anyone in tech, right? If you are preparing for cracking tech interviews, or if you are looking for getting your first tech job, or if you're looking for switching, let's say, from a non-tech domain to a tech domain, in all these cases, this particular course is for you. Even for people who are already, let's say, software developers or engineers and looking to, let's say, switch to product-based companies or better companies, usually that offer higher CTC, DSA is something that is asked and tested in the interviews, right? So this is going to be a good course for them as well. Now we have limited seats here, but the good part here is that for the early bird discount, we have a coupon code which is build50. So until 1st January, if you are enrolling in the course, you will get the course at 50% cost, right? So use this coupon code, make the most out of it. I mean, you're getting 50% off as an early bird offer. That's a great offer, and I think you all should enroll if you are looking to kind of upskill in DSA. Now the starting date for this course is going to be 31st of Jan, and it is going to be a 8 weeks guided course. One of the best things about this course is that it is going to be 100% live lectures. So all the sessions that we are going to have in this course are going to be live, right? First 50% of the course, or you can say first 50% of the topics would be led by Priya ma'am, and the later 50% of the topics would be delivered by me, and we will ensure that we are covering each and every topic which is mentioned to you in the curriculum in live mode. So I'll just quickly repeat that the start date is 31st of January, but the early bird discount is only till 1st of January. So if you are interested and looking forward to join, I would urge you to join as soon as possible. Okay, use the coupon code, use the discount code BUILD50 and get 50% off on this particular course. So for all the learners who are going to enroll, you will see Priya ma'am and me live. We will be taking the sessions. Really excited for this, and let's do this together. I will see you all in the course live.